The 8th of November, I'm just about to leave for the southwest slopes. We have lift indexes of -8 around this area, just northwest of Canberra. Cape about 2000. We're looking to our west. We only have a scattered queue and mainly blue sunshine. Very positive. We've got about 15-20 knots of wind, which is about twice as much that was forecast by the models. We have 21 degrees at the surface and we have 14.5 dew point.
Oh, well, I won't swear then. Oh, another CG.
This base, that base is really nice.
Yeah.
We're about 20 kilometres north of Young. It's an interesting still on that one actually. To my south, another interesting one. I think this one's more of a looker than a doer. See if I can get out to that. That's probably 30-40 k's away. Probably looks better than what it is. Just outside of Yass. Yass wouldn't be Yass without trucks.